Embroidering flowers is both fun and accessible, making it perfect for all skill levels. Start by sketching a simple flower with a dot for the center and petals branching out from it. Use a heat erasable pen for easy corrections and begin stitching straight stitches from the petals to the center dot, using 2 to 6 strands of embroidery floss for thickness. To add detail, incorporate French knots in the center of the flowers and experiment with petal shapes and colors for variety. For stems, sketch your desired shape and use a stem stitch to create solid lines, ensuring you keep some excess thread for looping. Finally, outline your flowers and stems using chain stitches for a decorative touch. With practice, you can create beautiful embroidered flowers of any size and color.